Alright, let's break down what just happened with Trump, the National Guard, and Los Angeles. A federal judge has ruled that former President Trump's deployment of the California National Guard and U.S. Marines to Los Angeles back in June was illegal. That's right, illegal. Here's why this matters. In June, more than 4,000 National Guard troops, about 700 Marines, were sent to L.A., supposedly to protect federal officers and to protect property during heated protests. But Judge Charles Breyer found they did more than stand guard. The evidence showed they set up blockades, controlled crowds, managed traffic, made their military presence clear, all while their identities were often hidden under protective armor. Why is that a problem? It all comes down to a law from the 1800s called the Posse Comitatus Act. The military isn't supposed to be out there making arrests, controlling crowds, or doing anything that looks like policing Americans on American soil. That's the job of local police, not soldiers. Judge Breyer didn't just make this call lightly. He held a 3-day non-jury trial in August, digging into what went down in L.A. After reviewing all the evidence, he said flat out, Trump violated the Posse Comitatus Act. The judge ordered an immediate stop to using military troops for law enforcement in California, unless there's a specific legal reason to override that law. Now, the White House wasn't exactly thrilled. Their spokesperson called the judge rogue and said he was overstepping, claiming the president has the authority to protect American cities from violence and destruction, but the judge pushed back, saying the president can't just use the military as a national police force, no matter the situation. And this isn't just about Los Angeles. The judge pointed out they talked about sending these troops to other cities too, Oakland, San Francisco, raising even bigger questions about presidential power and military force at home. Bottom line? This ruling draws a sharp line in the sand. No matter how wild things get, there are laws that keep the military out of our day-to-day policing. And this judge just reminded everyone of that. So, what happens next? Well, this decision's going to be tough to overturn, but the legal battles aren't over. Stick around for updates because this story is far from finished.